Welcome back to Flawless Foods Kitchen. I'm Kay.
And I'm Luke, and today we're going to show you how to cook the perfect basmati rice. We can guarantee after today you're going to have the most fluffiest rice at home. We're going to be cooking enough rice for 4 people. 2 cups of basmati rice, which is 400 grams. The first step is to wash all the starch from the rice. You wash this through until the water starts coming out clear at the bottom. If you're serving more or less, you can always check out our website and we'll have all the water to rice ratios on the website. And then we're going to add 2.5 cups of cold water, which is 625 ml. Cook your rice plain. We're going to add star anise to our basmati rice to give it some flavour. We're going to wait for the rice to come to the boil. And the rice is starting to boil, we're going to place the lid on and place that down to the lowest heat on a simmer for 8 minutes. Don't take the lid off. Okay, the rice has been cooking for 8 minutes on the simmer. Now you need to turn the heat off, keep the lid on and let that rest for 5 minutes. Don't take the lid off. You need to keep this on so the rice carries on cooking in the steam. It's rested for 5 minutes, so let's remove the lid. Remove the star anise. Now we're going to fluff all the rice up with a fork. Look at that. Lovely. Now that's how you cook a basmati rice. The best side dish to any curry or Chinese, if you're making it at home for family and friends. Let's dig in, let's give it a try. Perfect. That's what you want. All that's missing now is a good curry, and that'll be coming up soon on another video. And there we have it, perfectly cooked basmati rice, flawless.
Remember, all the water to rice ratios can be found on our website. We'll include a link below, as well as that subscribe button.
Press the button below.
Thank you, we'll see you next time. Welcome back to Flawless Foods. I'm Kay.
What is it? Flawless Foods kitchen, garage, bathroom?
Well, it's obviously a kitchen. Just amazing, guaranteed it. Without even cooking it, you're just going to have fluffy rice.
Just boom!
Fluffy rice.
And we're going to show you today how not to f up. If you want to take it,
You really want.